Welcome to this brief tutorial on writing topic sentences. A topic sentence is essentially the same thing as a claim. Your central claim tells your reader the main idea of your essay. In the same way, the topic sentence tells your reader the main idea of your paragraph. The claim of your paragraph must develop your central claim, relate to the text under discussion, and be arguable. Now I'll explain each of these three criteria and follow that up with a couple examples that I hope will clarify this for you. So to develop your central claim, remember that your central claim is the conclusion you've come to following your examination of a text or texts and other resources. Those other resources can include discussion notes, class notes, ideas you have from other classes, any resources that you can marshal to develop your thinking. Your essay explains how you arrived at this conclusion, and each paragraph focuses on one aspect of your inquiry. The claim of your paragraph must also relate to the text under discussion. It will explain one way in which the text reveals the idea of your central claim to you. The claim must also be arguable. This means whatever you say represents your interpretation. The topic sentence or claim is not a statement of fact, but a statement about your point of view. This is not merely an opinion or conjecture, but a statement of your understanding after careful consideration of the evidence. Others will have a different interpretation that they will argue. In this way, writing is a form of discourse, an engagement in a conversation about how we understand text, which is to say the world around us. The key idea here, though, is that your claim is based on your consideration of the evidence. So you need to reflect that in your writing. And the paragraphs that you develop will include specific examples of evidence that support that topic sentence. Here's one example of a claim. Pride narrows vision when a dreamer has selfish motives. That could be a central claim for an essay. Now we want to relate that to the text, so we ask the question, how does Odysseus' pride narrow his vision? And our response becomes a topic sentence. Odysseus' pride causes him to focus on vengeance rather than peace when he returns to Ithaca. So this color coding should help you see how you move from claim to topic sentence. The concept of pride appears in both the claim and the topic sentence. I explain what I mean by narrows in the topic sentence by saying causing him to focus on vengeance. So specifically the selfish motive is vengeance rather than peace when he returns to Ithaca. Okay, I've also been specific about who the dreamer is in the text. So my claim is a general statement, a truth about life that I've arrived at based on my analysis of my evidence about the text, based on conversations I've had with classmates, based on my understanding of epic literature. All those resources that I can marshal, I've marshaled so that I can write this claim. And now I'm asking, how is this true in the text? And I'm coming up with a specific example. Subsequent claims would look at other ways that pride narrows his vision in the text. Okay, let's look at another example. A central claim, when a person dies to himself, surrendering his ego to the greater good, humility engenders peace. Again, a general observation I've made about life itself based on my reading of the text. Now, if I want to develop a topic sentence based on that claim, I might ask the question, how does Odysseus' newly found humility engender peace? How is this true in the text? And my answer becomes a topic sentence. After Odysseus' mother helps him realize the devastating impact of his absence on loved ones, the Prince of Ithaca returns as a beggar to Ithaca to better determine the needs of his family and restore order. Okay, so you can see that the general statement about a person becomes a statement about Odysseus. The idea of dying to oneself and surrendering the ego to the greater good becomes mother helps him realize the devastating impact of his absence on his loved ones. So what does he do as a result? Well, I'm arguing that he returns as a beggar to Ithaca to better determine the needs of his family and restore order. That's arguable because somebody could say he returns for a different purpose, and that the role of his that he takes on as beggar serves a different purpose. So this is my personal interpretation. I can support what I'm saying here with evidence from the text, and it supports the central claim. It develops an aspect of it. So that's what makes that a legitimate topic sentence. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you.